Coming up with a hairstyle can be quite challenging, especially if you're looking for a quick and easy hairstyle. In this video, I will show you my 5 and easy go-to hairstyle using clip-ins.
You're now rocking with the fire boy. I'm funny little man down. Yeah.
For style 1, I will start to part my hair down the middle, positioning my ear. I will go ahead and tie each bun with a hair tie.
I don't wanna know who you came with. You two they do shakara. Give me a number, let me save it. Puffy me better. Love you better. You're now rocking with the fire boy.
Then I will start to brush my hair to lay down all the flyaways. I will go ahead and start to clip in the clip-ins around the bun to give it a fuller look. I will use a bobby pin to secure the bun and to cover the clip-ins.
You're now rocking with the fire boy. I'm funny little man down. Yeah. Yeah. Money.
Style 2, the Afro Puff. I'm gonna take my hair out and put it into a high pony. Since my hair doesn't have volume, I will use clip-ins around the center of my head. The clip-ins are going to help to give it a fuller volume. I do have a very detailed video on how to style Afro Puff. I will link the description down below.
I don't wanna know who you came with. You two they do shakara. Give me a number, let me save it. Puffy me better. Love you better. You're now rocking with the fire boy. I'm funny little man down. Hey, you go benefit. You want to photo church and everything. Mama told you a dada. Them other girls with the people. Say your mama and your papa them be singer. When they born you they made a hit. And if you not to chop a water, to manic my jail. Me say body bad oh. Love me the love oh. Tell me come on love. Oh darling. Me say body bad oh. Love me the love oh. Yeah. Tell me come on love. Oh darling. But you would. The things you do, you they put me for the mood. But you would. Look at your back, walking me and push it wood. But you would. So you the mother with your back boom boom. But you would.
And this is the final result. I do this style quite often. And for this hairstyle, I took my hair down and started to brush my hair up to reposition the puff, applying some gel on the edges. Actually, the hairstyle is quite similar, only that this time we're going to tuck in the afro. We're not going to leave it the afro-ish, if you know what I mean. Brushed out my edges.
But I'm pretty Abella. Your melanin on fleek. But I'm pretty Abella. Yeah, Onana Abena. Pretty girl from Africa. Man, them a die for your love. Oh. Give them with the mad figure. Say everybody bad oh. Love me the love oh. Tell me come on love. Oh darling. Me say everybody bad oh. Love me the love oh. Yeah. Tell me come on love. Oh darling. But you would. The things you do, you they put me for the mood. But you would. Look at your back, walking me and push it wood. But you would. So you the mother with your back boom boom. But you would. And I take back the one things so you do. Now what the things you have. Because of your body, girl, I swear I wanna risk it all.
Well, that's it, and this is style number 3. And for style number 4, I will just add a fringe using kinky clip-ins, inserting it under the bun. Last but not least, I'm going to part my hair down in the middle, brushing it into a ponytail.
Yeah, you know me, I never give it up, baby, give it up. Yeah. Baby, dance for me physical. Oh, baby, let me be a commoner. Give me my first little thing and we go.
Apply some gel and then brush it to lay it down.
You're now rocking with the fire, boy. I'm funny, you my girl. Yeah. Money, in Zulu, no matter. Hot girl body slate. I don't wanna know who you came with. You two they do shakara. Give me a number, let me save it. Puffy me tattoo. Love you bad tattoo. You're now rocking with the fire, boy. I'm funny, you my girl. Hey, you go benefit. You want to foot to church and a fit. Mama told you a dada. The mother girls with the people. Say your mama, your papa, them be singer. When they...
And yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. What are some of your easiest quick hairstyles? Please leave a comment on the comment section down below if you have any easiest hairstyle that I left out.
Yeah.